It was a bit of a mad rush to get out of the house this morning, but I did it, and I had an appointment at 9 o'clock, which I've been to, and now we are at King's Plant Barn, kind of chain of garden centres, and there's one not too far from us. I want to get some potted colour, you know, just like the bright flowers. I've got like a long planter box, quite small but long kind of style one, and I want to put some nice bright colours in there. I want to get a coriander plant. You go to the supermarket to buy it, it's quite expensive and it comes in quite large amounts, which we don't really need. So I'm going to go and see if they've got something like that. They also have a little cafe in here, which is good, sometimes not good. They change ownership quite a bit, I think. So hopefully it's half decent today and I can get a coffee. So let's go and see what they've got. Perfect turn. Excellent. I do like these ones. Oh, what about these nice big orange ones? Those are pretty.
Yes.
Can you put that one in the cart for me? I like this one. Look how tall it is. Should we get that one? Did you say you wanted to get green?
Red, orange, yellow, green.
What's next?
Blue.
I do not have a green thumb. I do not know what these plants are, but I know I like the colours, so that's 100% what I'm choosing these based on. Don't take my advice. And stop here, here's the coriander. Would you like a fluffy or a hot chocolate or something? Whoa, look at you. Woohoo. What would you like?
Who do you think will win?
Blue guy. Thank you. You're too big for that. Just make sure it's not blocking the doorway. See, you're right in front of the door there. That's better. Thank you so much. Yeah, look at this. 2 marshmallows. Must be your lucky day.
Must be my lucky.
Must be your lucky day. Does it taste like coffee?
Not tall enough.
Yeah. It's like a brownie colour, isn't it? Your one's all white. Look at this. I spilt boiling water on my leg last week and it's actually burnt the top layer of skin off. And now it's peeling. Let me see if these will fit you, these gloves.
Can I please get a plant doctor to information?
A plant
The
doctor?
plant doctor.
Yeah, those will fit you.
I want
Excellent.
to see a doctor.
And can I get some container mix?
Yep, sure. For outdoor pots.
Yes. Yeah. I think just one will do. Thank you. We take a colouring competition. Whoa! Okay. Ooh. Good job.
That was way too
Do a
heavy.
big jump. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Nice one. Get off the road, please, because you might get squashed.
Come on, Redbag.
7, 8, 9 plants. Hey, we've got your bricks to open as well and your wee delivery truck to unpack and build. Front it says a new allergen, seaside of pack. And it says contains wheat, gluten and soy. So I'm wondering which one of those is the new allergen. I'm assuming it's not wheat or gluten because that's what crackers are made of. They're made of flour, wheat flour. But soy it says, so maybe that's the new allergen. And I think soy is in the emulsifier. Just amazing how many ingredients really is needed to make a cracker. I say that while I'm drinking my Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar. I mean, this is probably absolutely terrible for me. Google, set a timer for 10 minutes. My lunch, a wrap and some of those popcorners. And my son's lunch, ham and cheese sandwich, some kiwi berries, popcorners and some broccoli. Okay, my son's decided he doesn't want to help, so which is actually probably better because I know with potting mix or container mix you have to be really careful, avoid breathing product, dust or mists, always wear gloves and wash hands immediately after, so it's probably better if I just do it anyway. This is the container I've got, so I'm going to fill this up maybe halfway or 3/4 to start with, and then we'll put the plants in. This is probably the most difficult way to do it, I feel like, but I've started now. Okay, I think I'm going to put the tall flowers in the middle. I've got 2 of these orange ones, so I think you just flip it over and kind of just work the soil out and then just loosen those up a little bit at the bottom. Make a wee hole, put that one in. That one in. And then I think I'll just water at the end. These do not come with actual labels on them as to what they are. I think this is a cosmos plant, just based on what the leaves look like, but I could be completely wrong. I'm going to leave this one out and I'm going to put it into the garden behind me. So I'm going to do that one there and then that one there. Hopefully they've got enough room for all their roots. Okay. Just feeling a little bit sad because it said, I got taken out of my pot. Can we check on it later and see if it's feeling better?
Dangerous.
It does look a little dangerous. Okay, let's see how we build the delivery truck. Okay, first we need, right, can you see the instructions? So we've got to do these bits first.
Okay, Mummy.
So let's put the wheels aside and then we're going to do those bits first. You're a real clever Clogs.
I thought this goes here.
I think you might be right. Right, load up the fruit. Load up the fruit. Load it up.
Yeah.